Everyone, in previous video you have studied about the fiber and fabrics. Now I will tell you the explanation of processing fiber into wool, which is given on the page number 26. So first I want to say about the processing fiber into wool. It includes the various steps. These steps are shearing, scoring, sorting, burst separation, dyeing and spinning. How does sheep's wool turn into clothes? So the first process is shearing. What do you mean by shearing? The fleece of the sheep along with a thin layer of skin is removed from the body. This process is called shearing, or in other words, we can say the cutting of wool is called shearing. Usually shearing is done by the cutter or by the comb, and this is done by the barbers are used to shave off their hair. Usually hairs are removed during the hot weather, means in the summer season once in a year. This enables sheep to survive without their protective coat of hair, and these hair provide the woolen fiber. Now the second process is scouring. Scouring means cleaning the dirt, dust and the grease which is found into the hair of the sheep. This process is called scouring, and scouring is done by machines and it is done into the tanks also. Third process is sorting. Sorting process means the hairy skin is sent to the factories where hair of different textures means different fitness, length and color, they are separated by the sorter. Sorter means those who separated the hairs of the sheep are called sorters. They divided in the fleece accordingly into thick, short and long, length, fitness on the basis of this. Now the next step is burst separation. Burst separation, what do you mean by burrs? Burrs are the small fluffy fiber which is called burrs are picked out from the hair, and these are the same burr which sometimes appear on your sweater. I think you have seen the small fluffy fiber when on your sweater, that only is called the burrs. So these are scoured again and dried, and this is the wool ready to be drawn into a fiber. Then next step is combing. Combing is the straightening and stretching the fiber to obtain maximum spinning capacity. And the next step is dyeing. Dyeing is the process of adding color to textile product like fiber, yarn and fabrics. So this is usually the sheep and goat is black, brown and white fleece, means they are having the three colors, but apart of this we get the many colors wool in the market, that is done by the dyeing process. Then the next process is, you can see in this diagram, the shearing of sheep, scouring in tanks. Scouring means the washing of the fleece. Then next is rolling into yarn. It is given on the page number 27 in your NCERT book. And the last is spinning. Last process is spinning. What do you mean by spinning? Spinning is the process of making or converting fiber material into yarn. So the fiber are straightened, combed and rolled into yarn. The longer fiber are made into wool for sweater, and the shorter fiber are spun into woven or woolen clothes.
Occupational hazard. It is concerned with the health of worker in its relation to his or her work and working environment. Wool industry is an important means of livelihood for many people in our country. But sorter's job means the people who sort out the wool. Sorter's job is risky as sometimes they get infected by a bacterium called anthrax. The name of the bacteria is anthrax, which causes a fatal blood disease called sorter's disease. And such risks faced by workers in any industry are called occupational hazard. Thank you.